Here's some breaking news that's coming in. BJP levels big charge against AAP. BJP says Delhiites getting calls that AAP schemes will be stopped. BJP says AAP spreading false rumours against BJP. BJP further says AAP volunteers distributing money for votes. AAP denies charges levelled by the BJP.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी इस तरीके से बौखला गए हैं, इस होश उनके उड़ चुके हैं और वो सारे हथकंडे अपना रहे हैं कि कैसे दिल्ली की जनता को भ्रमित करें, कैसे उनको डराएं, कैसे उनके अंदर में डर पैदा करें। एक तरफ तो अभी जैसे बताया कि हॉक्स कॉल जारी है और उनमें यह कहा जा रहा है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी तो आपकी सारी स्कीम को बंद कर दिया जाएगा। सारी वेलफेयर की स्कीम कोई भी दिल्ली में बंद नहीं होंगी, बल्कि हम उसको जमीन पर लागू करेंगे, वास्तविकता में गरीब लोगों के बीच पर लेकर आएंगे।
दिल्ली में मोदी जी कुछ भी कर लें, मोदी आ गए, योगी आ गए, अमित शाह आ गए, सारे मुख्यमंत्री, सारे सांसद, केंद्रीय मंत्री सब आ गए, लेकिन जीतेंगे केजरीवाल। 60 से ज्यादा सीटें दिल्ली में आम आदमी पार्टी की आ रही हैं। सत्येंद्र जैन जी सकूर बस्ती से भारी मतों से यहां से जीतेंगे और फिर से एक बार यहां झाड़ू चलेगी पूरी दिल्ली के अंदर।
Piyush Mishra is joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Piyush, in the latest we're seeing that the BJP has hit out at Aam Aadmi Party, claiming that now the voters of Delhi are receiving calls saying that AAP schemes will be stopped. What more can you tell us on the same?
Well, Jitna, war of words have now escalated between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP. Now the BJP has claimed that Aam Aadmi Party volunteers are calling people of Delhi and telling them that if BJP comes to power, then all the welfare schemes announced by Aam Aadmi Party government are going to be stopped. BJP has further claimed that that no welfare scheme is going to be stopped. In fact, we will ensure that there is a complete implementation of these welfare schemes. At the same time, BJP has also claimed that volunteers are calling the people of Delhi and telling them that their names have now been deleted from voters list, and only because of the efforts those have been put in by Arvind Kejriwal, their names have been re-added in the voters list. So we are now seeing how war of words have escalated. Earlier it was Arvind Kejriwal who had claimed that BJP will ensure that all schemes like giving free bus rides to women in Delhi, also giving free electricity, water, all these things are going to be stopped if BJP forms the government in Delhi. But BJP has now rejected all these claims. In fact, BJP has said that we will ensure the proper implementation of these schemes. We'll have to wait and watch how it is further going to escalate. Only 6 to 7 days are left for campaigning in Delhi, and as the campaigning, as the result, voting day is coming closer, we are seeing how massive escalation of war words taking place between both the political parties.
Right, thanks Piyush for bringing us the latest on that story.